In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Roblox if you forgot both your password and email. So the first thing you always want to do is you want to try logging in with other methods. So when you first go to the login page, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. It is going to ask for both your username and your password. And basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this option over here that does say forgot password or username, just like so. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. You will now get the option to recover your Roblox account using a phone number. So if you did connect a phone number to your previous Roblox account, the account that you're trying to recover, then you can go ahead and enter in that phone number. And from there, you actually are able to go ahead and recover your Roblox account that way. And after you input your phone number, Roblox is going to send you a verification code to your number. And then you got to use that code to reset your password. All right, so here's the thing. You only really need access to the Gmail in order to recover the Roblox account. So what I recommend that you guys do is actually go ahead and open up Gmail just like so. And once you're over here, what you want to do is you want to search your inboxes, including any spam or junk folders for any old Roblox messages, because you might be able to go ahead and actually find the email of your previous Roblox account, which could be very helpful, especially in trying to recover your account. So try checking all email accounts you've used in the past. Roblox might have been linked to one of them. Okay, but if those two methods haven't worked for you, you're still not able to find your Gmail or anything like that, then the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and contact Roblox customer support. So go ahead and type in Roblox and then customer support, just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on the first link that does appear. Then you want to go ahead and put your date of birth. So I'm just going to enter mine in. So there you go. And after you're done with that, basically, you just want to go ahead and press on continue. So over here, it's going to ask for your username, your first name, your email address, and confirm your email address again. So try to put in all this information. All right, now where it says issue details, you want to go ahead and select on your device. So me personally, I'm on a PC. So I'm just going to select on PC. Then where it says type of help category, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just keep on looking around until you see account hacked or can't log in. So go ahead and enter that in. And then you guys could actually select a subcategory type. So let's go ahead and see that. So basically what we can do is you can go ahead and just press on forgot password. Now in the actual message box itself, you want to go ahead and explain to them that you forgot both your password and your email. And also be sure to include the username of the Roblox account that you're trying to recover, the last known email if you can recover it, and you also want to add as much detail as possible. So you want to include your approximate account creation date. For example, let's say you started playing Roblox all the way back in like April 2022, then you want to write that in the issue box right over here. And also, you want to go ahead and write down any Robux purchases or game passes you remember buying. And after that, you want to go ahead and wait for a response, which could take around 24 to 48 hours. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.